This is probably the type of interaction I should interrupt. But they do look like they love each other. Well, maybe not. Bailey, don't bite her. Good girl. Aw, do you love each other? Aw. Do you love each other? Bailey. Bailey, do you love your sister? I don't think she wants you to lay all the way on her. Bailey! Alright, about to turn sour. Oh. Bailey, quit that. Bailey, stop it. Let her up. Hey, Sugar Bear. Bailey. Now you're all the way in the chair. And there goes the cat. Alright. Good job. Good girl, Bailey. Here's Sugar. Alright, think the fun's over.